Orpheum Theater, Wichita, Kansas. Enter the world of the Orpheum Theater in Wichita, Kansas, and you'll be transported back to a time when theaters were magnificent palaces, designed not just for entertainment but also for admiration. Opened in 1922, the Orpheum was an atmospheric theater designed to evoke the feeling of being in an open-air Spanish garden. The walls were decorated with artificial trees, ornate lanterns, and curved columns, creating an almost dreamlike environment for moviegoers. It wasn't just a theater, it was an experience. People came to watch movies, yes, but they also came to escape reality and lose themselves in a world of beauty and illusion. But like so many other great places of its era, the Orpheum eventually succumbed to the changing times. By the 1970s, its splendor had faded and the theater was abandoned. For years, it sat silent, its once vibrant halls slowly crumbling. What makes the Orpheum unique, however, is the community's tireless passion to save it. In 1978, it was declared a historic landmark, and restoration work began. Today, the Orpheum is one of Wichita's most beloved treasures, hosting events that attract people from all walks of life. It's a perfect example of how the past can be preserved, not just for nostalgia but to breathe new life into the present. But despite all the restoration work, there's something undeniably eerie about this magnificent theater. Walking through the building today, you can still feel the weight of its history. Whispers of the past mingle with the excitement of modern performances. It's a place that captures the essence of timeless beauty and the resilience of a community determined to keep its heritage alive.